currently at a car show at the moment, which is quite far away from home, but we're here because it's a lot different. So as you guys would know, I do a lot of things with the modern cars, but this one today is all about the old school vintage classic cars. So I've been walking around now. I've only gone down one strip in the past 2 hours, so yeah, 2 hours and I've gone down one strip. So I'm gonna try and pick up the pace a bit, try and get over and see this lot. But before we do, check this out. That's lovely. That is lovely. I gotta be honest, it sounds like a V8. It really does.
It is.
Oh, that's why.
That's why it sounds like a V8.
That's why it sounds like a V8. Looks like an RV. I bet this is pushing over 2,000. Let's go pop big issue with them is I'd want to turn it into big 2.5. I think that'd be tight.
A lot of people have got rubber beads and they'll fit. But yeah, like a, I don't know, like a Ford 380 block or anything really. But it involves like chopping up bits like in the mountain, you know what I mean? So the 2 litre 205 block will just go straight there. So that's probably what's going to happen.
That is crazy though. The engine looks so small for how big the car is.
It's ridiculous.
It just doesn't add up, do it?
No, it's all bark and no bite, isn't it?
It is. What is it? It's all stock, is it?
Yeah, so I've upgraded the carburetor for a dual barrel. It actually just does better mileage that way, but you get a bit more pep out of it. Radiator's expanded because it was constantly overheating. Exhaust system's modified.
don't know, I would be. You know, any roundabout, you know, you just got a quick roundabout lap.
Honestly, yeah, it doesn't take much. It's all, yeah, it's super back end happy, so it doesn't take an awful lot to get out.
But it's light as well, I can imagine.
This one, yeah. Because it's a later car, they use the injector in the dead window. That's like his favourite kind. It's usually ignition or electric related. It's got like stuff creeping in now as well. It just never ends.
Yeah, maybe. Pass my test on this.
Yeah. What about it?
I was thinking of it. What would I do with it? It'd be stuck in the garage. Nice, unique, different. I like it. I do like it. But what would I do with it? I'd have to take it for sure.
I don't know if you have to go online and my handwriting takes over. So you have a leg. Yeah, thank you. Even if I just end up putting because I tell you what I bought, it's like the bracket things with padlock. So I got them to put on, well them on. But I'd rather get
Nice that this is.
I'd love that. I'd be going out to do more then. It's because I don't feel secure in it.
You've done a good job.
Yeah.
Never fair, but look.
Nice.
Fair play. This one, going to white. Nice. I'm all black. Right, fun fact with this car here, reminds me exactly of what the BAM used to have. I might even have a photo of it if I have it on screen now. Triumph GT6. I'm pretty sure. Look at that, straight. Wow. It really is. Check. It reminds me of a Triumph. Looks identical. But no, it's not. It's the Jag. So guys, I'm actually here now with Paul and what's your name?
Mark.
Mark. So I'm actually here now with Paul and Mark. These are well, they've actually got this Esco and this Focus
Fiesta
XR2. But Guys, honestly, these cars are pretty clean. What is your social media, anything like that?
We haven't actually. We just started out with two brothers. We started up our own little club, to be honest, because like we just love our Fords and just we started up, see what happens, see where it goes.
So how about I bring my Corsa into your Ford?
Maybe not.
It's okay. It's Cali. It's Cali.
Yeah.
It's Cali the Corsa.
There we go. I got everybody each their own. I got no hate.
As you guys know, Cali's Cali, but I'd never Ford. So
Of course.
like you meant, of course.
Of course. We love. Everybody loves their own cars. We don't like the modern stuff, but I got classics.
Well, that's the thing. You know, that is very, very true. Hence, that's why I'm here now. But so blue
Oval Bros.
Blue Oral Bros.
Blue Oval Bros.
Oh, I thought you said Blue Oral Bros.
No, good gosh, no.
I was gonna say, I'm sorry.
That's
What
after
did
the
you say?
watershed, that is.
Oh, I see. So guys, go and check them out. Well, I would say there'd be a link in the description.
We'll get something sorted in time.
We'll have to get something sorted.
New project.
Definitely. So, without further ado, I'm going to go and check out some more of these cars because I'm only 3 rows in. So, yeah, and I've been here for 3 hours.
Much appreciated for the shout out.
It's no problem, honestly. Well,
I'll check out your video later.
with a bit of luck. Well, this one will be out. What's the day today? Monday. So, guys, right now we're about to blitz through these rows real quick. You're going to come with us. We're going to have a quick little walk around. But yeah, we're not going to be able to stop and just check all these cars out now. We've got like half an hour before the place closes, and we're in like 3 rows in, so let's pick up the pace. So we've got a Peugeot. Not gonna lie, I would definitely take this GTO any day. Clean alloys, we've got clean rims, clean car all over. I love the room. Shoot for that on the Corsa. Never fit. Black, well, black and yellows, black and red, and trust me, I was this close to actually buying one. They would have been a big project car. The only thing of it was, the only didn't want to sell, and it kind of went so, almost owned it. There we go. So guys, at the moment now, we've just come across this lovely little Mustang. Now that's what we call a Mustang, a proper clean Mustang, like magnifico. There's a candy red, cream interior, wow, left-hand drive, amazing, lovely wheels, piece of machine, wow. So guys, I don't know why, but this ain't your average UK car, no way at all, but look at this paint, oh my god, just amazing. All I get from this is like proper Hot Wheels vibes, but it's amazing. I love it. I really do love it. Like, look at these wheels. How wide these back are.
Leave it with me, but I will let you know later if I can.
Wow.
Well, we could find
Piece
a
of art.
jacket to land down with then.
What'd you do? Just go crazy with some glitters? When I was born. That's what I was born at. Just so what a buyer.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm actually going to
That's a big piece of meat. Pontiac.
Yeah, they're not original wheels. They're right here in the 70s.
I love them. I said my back went, yeah, I like them.
Yeah. 2.5 metre in this one goes.
Walking down there.
There's another one.
Yeah, the white one. I've seen that one.
Yeah.
But I've seen that one.
It's the same. Yeah, it's off the road. It's about 25 years been off the road until last year. Then we're going back on the road.
I used to think these were big cars.
I've got a Ferrari Dino as well. That's a sports car, crazy. 1970s sports car. It's the same size as last year. So this is time. You do feel a bit on the motorway, so you feel a little bit exposed in this. Also, it makes things go back.
So guys, fun fact, this here is the Triumph GT6, identical to the one that my grandpa actually had years ago, and they are so low to the ground, like crazy, like up to my waist height. They are lovely cars.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Now look what we're looking at.
Nice car. Ooh, RS.
Here we are, guys. So over here, I'm pretty sure we're looking at a couple of more guns. Go on, she'll start, surely. Wow. 3-car combo, all identical. What's the chances? She got him going. So guys, what do you reckon if we swap Cali out for this? And the best part is it's kind of got my plate anyway. See, so it's JL, so my name is already on the plate. Just make a good swap, I reckon. Straight clean swap. Could work. Could work. Now look at that Escort over there. Before we do, we're going to come back over there because we're going to walk up here and we'll check out this C6 Corvette. So there's a C6, no, I don't know, it might be a C6 or a C8, we'll soon find out. We're going to check that out. A lot of these old cars, some of them really do get they get me thinking, and some of them are like, nah, not so. But I do like them. So I don't know. Might be a good bit. Well, look as if I care. No. Come on. As everyone's starting to wrap up. Mad sunburn, I know that much. Ouch. Right, boss?
Alright, yeah. Don't look now, but you're being followed.
Oh no, don't tell no one.
You'll be on YouTube tonight.
Oh, where'd you come from? Do I know you? Can you stop filming me? Sorry. Do you know what? I've got to ask. So which one's yours? What is it, Bentley?
No, it's a Daimler.
Daimler?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So this is built long before your mum and dad conceived you.
That's very true. What's your name?
Mark.
Mark, I'm Josh. Nice to meet
Josh,
you.
nice to meet you, Josh.
Can you tell me a little bit about
Yes,
Daimler?
I'd love to. You gave me an opportunity now
I have.
to show off. Come on this way. Look. Okay, so this design here dates back to the 50s. So when this car was built and sold in 1965, it was already out of date. But the heart of the car is the engine. And it's a V8 4.5 litre, 220 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 9.5 seconds, right? 4-wheel disc brakes, automatic transmission, power steering. It's easy to drive, it's fast, right? And it's very posh looking, isn't it?
You can say that again. You can definitely say that again. Wow.
So in those days, they were actually making a statement, weren't they? When that was purchased in 1965, the buyer of that car would have been trying to send a signal to you, I'm a success, right? And all Daimlers have this fluted radiator. We always know a Daimler by the shape of the radiator, okay? Always, right? And so, now it's old-fashioned looking, but it was quicker in 1965 than most of the sports cars and large saloons of that time period. So it was referred to as a wolf in sheep's clothing, or it was called a Q car, which is some military thing, meaning that, well, you'd think it was a stately old car, but it's not. It's a get up and bite you car. get up, bite you in the tailpipe.
Oh, so it was a proper. It wasn't no grocery gang.
No.
It was we got places to be.
That's
Let's
it.
go.
That's it. That's it. And look out, here I come.
Yeah.
You know, that's what it was like in the old days, right? You know, I mean, I'm glad to tell you though that all the Daimler Club people are very friendly. They're not. They haven't got their noses stuck in the air. You know. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
I can tell exactly what you mean.
Yeah. So anyway, do you want to look inside? That's 61 years old. That cow. That's cowhide. I think it's cowhide. Because I think pigskin would be soft. Right? And then dials galore. And then
Where's the hammer? You got the hammer?
so when I was growing up, we would just have a simple word name, descriptive name for this. A passion wagon.
Good name for it. It really is.
So I'll tell you something personal. When I was in college,
Thank you.
and I was 21, and I had a Daimler, and my girlfriend would sit in the front seat, right? And then I would sit with her on this side of the car, right? And then one day, if you get lots of rain in the winter, and the car mists up, right? So my girlfriend and I are sitting in this passenger seat here. I don't have to go any further.
Oh,
But the policeman came up and he went like that, see? Because it was all misted up. But he knew there was people in there, so he went. And then I wound the window down and I said, yes, sir. And he said, just checking, everything fine? Good, okay. In the old days, that's what policemen were like.
Yeah,
Right?
you couldn't do that today.
No.
They'd be.
So when I was caught speeding, the policeman said, now look, young man, you need to slow down. I'm not going to give you a ticket this time, but I'm going to give you a verbal caution. If I catch you again, you're getting written up and you're paying the fine. Now slow down, take it easy. All those days are gone.
Yeah,
Sad.
long gone.
Sad.
They are long gone.
It was personal. We looked up to policemen. You know, we felt they were our defenders. You know, and anyway, so that's my story.
And whatever happened.
Whatever happens.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, some people think the boot is ugly, right? The design is a matter of taste, right? So look, it's got a big bottom, right? But I like big bottoms.
I do.
It's very feminine.
I won't complain.
It's feminine. Right?
It is.
Sorry about that.
It is. I like the big bottom.
Yeah. Twin exhaust.
For me, I always say it's peachy.
Peachy, yeah.
Peachy. It's not too big. It's not too little. It's peachy.
It's peachy.
It's sweet.
Yeah.
It's just right.
Will join our club, the DLOC, Daimler Lanchester Owners Club. Daimler and Lanchester's Owners Club.org. O-R-G. Join the club because we're dying off. I'm 78. How much longer have I got? I don't know, right? Maybe tonight's the night.
Don't say that. Please don't say that. I've only just met you.
Now, I have no fear of death. I'm a believer, so I know there's eternal life.
Yeah.
So no problem. It's a car that features in that film. You wouldn't know the film. It's back in it. But anyway, Peter Sellers had one. You know, lots of celebrities had these cars.
They're big. Really
the only
big.
people that could afford them.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's lovely. Look at the lines. I mean, it's smooth. It's smooth. It's a 1965. When you look at this, 1965, and then mine, look, 1965. Look how much more futuristic the Rolls Royce is. The Rolls Royce is really, at the time, that was a new, brand new, flashy shape, you know, of things to come.
Yeah.
And
It looks big. It looks like a boat. It looks
it is.
massive.
It is. It is. That's a very valuable car. That is. And yeah, so obviously he's wanted by the police. He doesn't want to be on camera.
So guys, just like so, it's time that we head out. Everyone else is now long gone. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually heading back to the car now because Callie's way over there somewhere, but yeah, so I'm actually going to head on back to the car, go and see what we can get ourselves into later. There's actually another big event going on next week Sunday, so this could start to be like a monthly thing that we might be doing either on a Sunday or a Monday or whatnot, but it should be pretty cool. So yeah, I don't know, it's something different, it's good to get out, feels nice, weather's nice, I'm sunburnt to the nines. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, if I got it, you got it, and Jonesy got it, and guess what, and Callie's got it, and guess what, if I got it, of course you got it. Peace. Where the hell is the car gone? Park it. Callie, open window. Ah, there she is.